Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to do another small project called Gaming Box. So I'm gonna create a new project, and I'm gonna use Windows Form apps, C# Windows Desktop. So we're gonna have a Windows Form app. Next, I'm gonna call it, for example, my game box project, for example. And I'm gonna create a folder here. Maybe I forgot this one. I'm gonna delete or whatever. I'm gonna say my game box, for example. Okay, select the folder. I space a folder and next and create. Here you can use it as is. You know that not 3.1 or 5, whatever. So this will be application allow people renting some game box. Okay, so after this is start installations, just show my computer is a little bit, I don't know, slow. Here you go. So first I'm gonna for the click here on properties, you're gonna find form one. I'm gonna call game box. So I'm gonna change this one to be game box. Also, again, maybe change this picture as well. So will be icon. We have icon here. Hold on one sec. This one icon. If I click this icon here, click these three dots here. And I can go to my downloads. I have some icon here. I put this one, so I have this one. So if I run them a game here, I have like icon games here. Make it bigger, you can see it. So alright. Now, what I'm gonna do here. Wait, there's multiple here. What I'm gonna do, I wanna allow the user choose a game. For example, we have a combo box. Then I have a label here. And the label, I'm gonna say, for example, choose your game. Okay. Then, in this one, I'm gonna go to the collection here. For example, I'm gonna do game number one or game one, game two. We're gonna later maybe game three, etc. Okay. So the user will run this one. Choose the game. Game one, game two, game three. So game for rent. Okay. You're gonna pick renting game. Okay. Now the second things here. I'm gonna put how many days. Okay, please select the days, number of days, or number of days, number of days, number of days you want rent this for rental. Number of days for rental. Okay, so number of days for rental, how many days? Okay, so the way I'm gonna do that, actually, I can put the text box to put the 5 days, 10 days, whatever, but we can do some more convenient. I'm gonna put the here, click, okay. Then I'm gonna click those together, down a little bit, take this one up a little bit, this one, here we go. Then I'm gonna put, we need to create a beautiful applications, you know, so I'm gonna go to the bottom. One button and two buttons. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. So the first buttons, I'm gonna put it here. Right click in this one, right click in this one. I changed the color by mistake. second. Here you go. I'm gonna click in the bottom. So in this one, I'm gonna remove the word button, and I'm gonna go to the image, background image actually. Background image. We call up PTN. PTN stands for button. We do that sometimes. And we go to the image, background image or foreground image. In the background image, this one, background image, I'm gonna click. I'm trying to import. Let me do this one arrow up icon. I download this icon. Press OK, and I go title here, stretch, and I'm gonna do this and make it small a little bit. There you go. Okay, so this is like a up image. I'm gonna do the same things here. I'm gonna remove the button tree and then name it PTN down. Name it or down PTN. In the appearance, I go to the background image. I'm gonna go import. I'm gonna try to arrow down icon. Click this one. Press OK and go title, stretched. Make it this one small too, like this, and move this one here. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna go make the same size, both of them. So the size for this one, 48, 28. I'm gonna click this one. 48, make it 48, comma 28. Okay. Now these two buttons for increasing number of days, here. So now I'm gonna click this one. I'm gonna do, for example, this will be number of days, label, name, LPL, number of days, okay? So, and now if I do, now if I do something, I'm gonna double click in the form. I need to make this has a value. If I run the application now, I have a label 3. So I want to make some things different, So I'm gonna click in the value default days. The default days, for example, the minimum rent is 1 day, So I'm gonna do LPL number of days dot text will be equal at 1 here, meaning number of days, 1 day. Okay. So run now, number of days, 1 days. Okay. Now I need to click, if I click this one or this one, the days increasing or decrease. Okay. So now I'm gonna go to the form again. Hold on, my computer stuck a little bit. How we can do that? I'm gonna double click for this one example. Okay. First of all, I'm gonna do int days. Okay. Then I need to read days will equal LPL number of days dot text. I need to read number the current value text. Okay. And this will be string as we know, so we need to do int dot parse. We need to convert one to this parse. Okay. So also I'm gonna do message box dot show will be equal days, whatever I have a days. So why I'm doing this message, just I need to run this code. I'm gonna see what the number you're gonna read. Okay. So and okay, so if I click here, actually this one, yeah, days. Okay, give me days. Oh, 1 sec. It gave me actually days. So I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna days dot toString message box and run it. to make sure we are reading the correct number. So yeah, we have a one, number one. Okay, so I'm reading the correct number. Okay, so actually days the church string is correct. I think here I forgot to do obst lpl days dot text. So this will be good. Okay. Now also I'm gonna do the same things here. So if days, so then lpl dot days dot text will be equal days dot toString days dot toString. So read whatever. Okay, let me see now how it work. Okay. So number day, 3 day, 4 days, 5 days, 1 day, 4. This is increasing. So one minimum is okay. We can do maximum days. Example. Let me do it very quick. So if I go, there's one. Let me this one. Maximum here, for example, I can go maximum 10 days, for example. What is the label? Maximum 10 days. Max rent 10 days, for example. Okay, here we go. So meaning I'm gonna here if there's and days plus days. Okay, so for this one, because if days less than 10, do this one. Do this one. Okay. All right. So less than days. Okay, so let's run it now. So 10 maximum days, 1 day. Okay, so this is the making the code, our code beautiful. All right, now let us keep going. Close this ones, and now second after that we need the shipping um shipping information. Okay, how we gonna ship? After I rent this once, I found the games, I rent the days, how I'm gonna shipping this one. Okay, before that also I need a I'm gonna create something called label. I'm gonna put this label here. Why I have a button here? I remove it. Keep it actually. I'm gonna do label 1 and another label 5. So here I'm gonna do total cost. total cost. Maybe I'm gonna do here font. Click in the font size like a 12, and make it also font style bold true, and this one, oh, I change everything here for the form. Actually, I want to make the font 8, bold false. Okay, so total cost here. Okay, now total cost size 12, bold true, and the font here label also 9 or 12 actually, and bold true. Okay, so total cost. So whenever I pick the games, and the number of days will be changing this one. So label 5, I'm gonna change to LPL5. I keep it like this. The name will be LPL cost. LPL cost. Okay. So that's why I'm gonna go to the form here. I'm gonna do a double total cost, which is equals 0.0 in the beginning. Initially, this is initialization. I declared the variable initialization. Okay, so I go back here. When I ever click here, if actually I'm gonna do the second video. See you in the next video remaining for this work. So this video came 17, 18. I don't want to make videos so long. Okay, see you next video. Thank you.